So, day one of the sim cabin rebuild. So we've got some new chairs here from donated by Qantas. Some airline seats. We're going to install those into the sim. So what we're going to do is remove this back wall, remove all the racks into the sim. It actually works, but we're going to dismantle it. Remove this wall here and remove all this, remove all our racks, remove all the cabling, remove all our audio stuff, and fill this gap in here and extend the cabin out. It's a bit hard to see, out into this void, and that'll increase the size of the cabin. We can install the 6 seats in here, and we're going to put some windows in with the image that wraps all the way around. So this is day one. It's going to take a couple of days to do. Day to move all this gear, we reckon, and then day to dismantle the cabin, build a new one, and we're going to get to work again. We're going to fill this gap, this void here up with all the new racks. Get rid of all this old stuff that we've got here that we're not really using. The new rack's going to, well, this rack here, which is our main one, it's going to move into that spot, and the void here is going to become the new cabin. So anyway, we'll document it as we go along and take some video. Sambo should be here soon. We'll get into it. So we're back here a couple of hours later. We've made a bit of progress. The walls are gone. Someone's turned up.
Guest appearance.
Oh, it's Ray. Ray Martin in the midday show. Brought a bit of pizza, but which is a bit of a, it's good for the old sim building. So the walls are gone. Rack is disconnected. It's next to go. It's ready to roll that out of here. Cameras are gone. All our live stream stuff's gone.
Pizza's just about gone.
Pizza's gone. All that's clear. Outside walls are gone. All the control screens are gone. So we're about to rip that out, slide him out of the way, and then the new floor can go in the next little while. So it's going good. The sim room's sim bar is filled up with spare parts for simulators, all the leftover bits. But it's going to be good. Do you reckon, Sambo, or what?
Real good. Real good.
I think it's going to be good. Chairs are going to be fit in there nicely. Just got to remember how this all goes back together. It was a working simulator a couple of hours ago, but now she's just bare bones. Anyway, it's kind of how we roll. We just kind of make it and then pull it apart again every year.
What's next?
Yeah. So I think next we'll get rid of this rack and strip out underneath while we can. Pull this wall out. Ready for the carpenters tomorrow.
Carpentry One.
Carpentry One. Alright.
Proudly sponsored by Harlow Constructions.
Harlow Constructions. So we'll do a bit of video before we finish up today. One more and see how the progress is going. Still got we're thinking of pulling these screens down and doing some more things out here. 2 big screens maybe. Yeah. Anyway. Alright. Check back in a bit. So day one. She's fully dismantled, ready to go. Back's taken off. Got the walls stripped back. Back walls ripped out. Rack's gone. We've just got to move a bit of that data cabling there. We'll get rid of that. And we'll extend this roof line here across to this wall. Get it over there and fill this whole thing in. And then the cabin seating we should get 2 rows in there. There's some windows we've got to put in. It's going alright, eh?
Big job.
Big job. Well, the sim don't work anymore. The lights are on, but no one's home.
The Benz's carpet, yeah.
Got Binsy's carpet off the wall, yep. Be very displeased when he sees that. We've got to pull the carpet and the wall panels off so we can mount the TV screens here. TV screens are going behind the windows, so we get an image right around. So there'll be two there, one in that, in from the corner a bit, and one here next to each chair. And there's going to be a set of chairs here, and a door going out the back side. So yeah, it's gone pretty well so far, but it is easy pulling everything apart, put it back together. So, but that's what we wanted to get up to today. This room out here is now full of bits and pieces. So anyway, I guess that's what happens. You pull the sim apart. What do you reckon, Sambo? Any chance of it working again?
Yeah, we'll fly tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night?
Yeah. We'll fly tomorrow night.
Wow, well, yeah, well that's
No doubt about it.
Alright, well, we'll run with that, but I don't know. I think he's might be getting a bit excited there, the big skip, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Alright, day 1 all done. Day 2, should have a cabin built. Should be good. Alright, day 2. Sambo. We've got the floor in. Floor's built, we'll fill this bit in, the old doorway. That's sorted. We've been testing out the cabin seats. They're going to fit.
Setting the leg room.
Setting the legroom and the window heights. So we've got that sorted. Big units getting in there. Just look at that. Premium economy, mate. I reckon you get a bit of KFC on that phone.
Yeah. Order a pizza.
So we've got that in there. So all we're going to do now is build that wall there. And put the windows in. Everything's gone that was here. We've moved all our power network. Had all new power points moved around for all our power circuits. This is going to be where the new rack goes, so we've got all that done today as well. Get this framed out. The old sim room's looking like a debacle. Stuff everywhere. But anyway, that's what happens. So that's a little update. We're going good, eh, Sambo?
We are doing pretty well.
Yep, don't know what happened to the rest of the crew. No show as usual.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll get there. Righty out.
It's the skip.
Nah, it should be okay. What day is it? 2? 3? Day 3? Day 3. And we've forgotten to do some videos for the day.
We're going to be carried away.
So cabin is nearly finished. We've got the seats in. And we've got Sambo's here.
Big skip's tick of approval.
So all the seats are in.
We're going over there, buddy.
Yeah, look at that. Got the cabin window. Call for
a martini.
the chair back. So it's gone pretty well actually.
Lots of room.
Doubled the cabin room, so we've got 2 rows on this side, like we were talked about earlier in the week. All the floors filled in, new walls. We're only about, we've got about 40% to go. Yep. Finish some surrounds, got to get it all to work.
Wire everything back up.
But yeah, we got the bulk of it done. So I'm pretty happy with how it's all. We've doubled the size of the back of the cabin, and it feels really good. Can't believe how well it's sort of gone. So
it's very impressive.
Yeah, it's been good. So anyway, that was our little build. We didn't quite get to get all the. We got a bit busy the last 2 days and didn't quite get it all in. But anyway, that's all right. We'll finish our video off the next day we're here. Maybe later on next weekend or something for a few more finishing touches. But that's all right. It's been a good start.
It has.
Been massive. Pretty happy with how it's all worked out. So yeah, it's unreal. Plenty of room to sit. So now we've just got this mammoth clean up out here now. But anyway, we've got to get all this to work. But alright, you little beauty. So another night and day working on the sim. Starting to pull down these screens outside here. We're going to use them as our new startup screens. So we're going to install them on this panel in front of the rack. We've got a bit done. We've got the door in. That's all installed now. And we've got some seats in. So it's starting to come together. But all we've got to do now is wire it up. It's giving us heaps of room. It's fantastic. So we're pretty happy with how it's all worked. So back this way. So we've got 2 rows over there. So still got our overhead consoles to make. Finish the window surrounds. Heaps to do, but we've got the door in the servo. So there's a cabin door. Done. We'll come down here and finish all this bit out here now. So just wait for Sambo to turn up. Anyway, he'll bring snacks, which will be good. And we're going to pull these little screens down and move that big one across the cover up the holes and put another big one next to it. And just run 2 big screens. So, alright, we'll check back in later. Okay, well, quick video just to finish off the sim mod. It's nearly complete. Racks are all up and running, computers are running, ready for well flight. So we come through new entranceway. So we've got the cabin finished. So we got new chairs in, cabin seats. We've got the screens working. 2 windows on this side. And we've got a pair of seats here. 1 cabin window. It's been unreal. It's been really good. Sim's had a bit of an upgrade. Upgraded scenery and some new computers. And ready for well flight. It's actually 99% finished. So we started the training already. Yeah, it's going to be a good year. Looking forward to it. We'll start in a week or so from now. So yeah, the build's gone really well. A bit slow getting everything back together, but all in all, it's worked quite well. It's going to be fun. A few extra people in here, and it's sort of six people now. So during our well flight legs, yeah. So if anyone interested to come and see the sim during well flight, just send us a message on our Simflite or well flight team Airbus page, and then we'll get back to you. Come out and have a look and see it in action. Alright, thanks again.